5. While I'm standing here waiting, are you able to give me a return of the tag I gave you?
As a bored cop, waiting very impatiently, obviously. He got bored and keep trying to do shit. I think he has anything
Step out of the vehicle, I'm going to arrest you. For what? I'm telling you, get out of the vehicle.
Why are you escalating, sir?
Step out of the vehicle, because you're not stepping out of the vehicle.
I'll reach in and open your door if you don't open the door.
You're not reaching in my car.
Step out, man.
Because I didn't break any laws, do anything, man.
If we do field sobriety checks and I think you're good, we'll have you on your way.
But I didn't do anything to have you do that. You're breaking my amendment.
No, I'm not violating any of your civil rights. You were stopped in the roadway.
I'm not stopping the
As a
roadway.
law enforcement officer, I have to get out and investigate.
You're not cooperating with me. I was just sitting on the side of the road. I was trying to operate the motor vehicle safely. I couldn't drive and sleep, you know, like I was trying to be safe. That's it, man.
I've asked multiple times, very politely, for you to step out of the vehicle.
But what did I do to break the law?
You're stopped in the middle of the roadway.
You want to see if I'm drunk or not?
I don't think you're drunk. I think you're under the influence of drugs.
Can you get Sergeant out here, man?
Yeah, he's on his way.
Okay.
The sergeant's going to say when he gets out here.
You're going to reason with me. I'm going to tell him what's going on and that you have no right to pull me out of the vehicle. I have rights.
I'm not pulling you out of the vehicle. I've asked you multiple times to step out.
But we're not on a traffic stop.
You're right. We're not on a traffic stop, but I am checking an occupied vehicle.
Okay.
Which is the same thing.
And I'm fine. I thank you for checking on me. I promise. I thank you. I appreciate that, man. But I'm not inebriated. I'm not screwed up. I know it's a Friday night. I just was driving and was sleepy, man. That's it.
Okay.
That's all I have to answer.
You have any medical issues or anything? Married?
Just got divorced.
Any kids or anything?
Yeah. Two kids.
How old are your kids?
I don't want to.
You don't know?
I don't want to talk about them, please.
You don't have to. I just make a conversation.
I don't want to answer any more questions.
Simple. So what kind of business say you had again?
Huh?
What kind of business say you had again?
I didn't.
You said you own a business.
Yes, I do.
Okay, what kind of business is it?
I don't want to talk personally. The right to pull me out of the vehicle. I have rights.
I'm not pulling you out of the vehicle. I've asked you multiple times to step out.
But we're not on a traffic stop.
You're right.
And had an issue.
Now,
You guys are seriously about it like this?
step out of the vehicle, I'm going to arrest you.
For what? What did I do to get arrested?
Obstruct.
Obstructing what?
My official duty.
For what, sir?
Because I'm telling
Why are
you,
you
get out of the
escalating?
vehicle.
Why are you escalating, sir?
Step out of the vehicle, because you're not stepping out of the vehicle.
I'll reach in and open your door if you don't.
You're not reaching in my car. I don't. No.
We'll give you a lawful instruction to step out of the vehicle.
But you cannot enter my car.
Well, at this point, we're going to take you from the car.
You can't enter my car.
If you
Get
don't,
out of the vehicle, I'm going to bust this window and drag you out of it.
What? This is over a blinker, man. You're really talking.